Hey, it's Jeremy with Avocatus here, and we have a Galil rear sight that needs to be installed. So, how do we do it? All right. So, you've got your rear sight, right? 2 positions, and you should be able to read the numbers from your perspective while aiming for orientation. And we have this fastener that goes through, and that's what it pivots on. Pivots on that fastener. You can see the fastener, right? And so that fits. Fastener goes through. There's the through hole, goes in through the left side, and then it threads into the opposite end. Okay. Well, there is a ball detent that is spring loaded. So you got the spring, you got this tiny little ball bearing, this little BB. And much like an AR detent, man, just imagine trying to compress this thing, and I just launched it. Fortunately, it didn't go far. Okay, so what do we do? Well, let's put this in here. And normally it would install like that, right? Pivot like so. And then the ball detent uses these holes to maintain its position. Well, check this out. Set it on its side. Let's take the fastener out. And instead of the fastener hole, line up the, so if this is the ball detent, the fastener hole, line up the hole, the other hole for the detent and the spring. Now I'm losing stuff. No. In other words, let's load up the ball, the spring, and the detent like so, if I can get it in there. Okay. Then we find ourselves a little punch. Oh man, I'm nervous. Oh, you dirty booger. Not gonna do what everyone thinks I'm gonna do and freak out, man. So now I compressed the ball bearing, and then I pushed the sight over. So now it's captured by the walls. And now, as long that ball bearing is in there, as long as I don't line it back up with the hole to launch it back out of there. So I'm going to plug it with my fastener hole, and then see if I can move this around. Line that up, and notice that the ball detent is in place. So then we thread this, and you can see its operation. So I can go ahead and screw that in the rest of the way. And then we're going to install these Meprolite brand new night sights, tritium night sights. Got the little plunger cup thing and roll pin for that. So we'll have new night sights on it as well. Thanks, y'all. Peace.